Afternoon, everyone. So I told you I still wanted to head towards the beach. So let's go there. Over here, the Mediterranean right now. Casino is on the opposite. And I believe right around here there's a new bar, new place. It's called Cool Box. So I'm gonna walk past that one as well. And the weather has gone quite cloudy right now. Temperature was around 26, well it still is, but we have those clouds hanging over now. So I'm curious to see what any, or maybe any people are still at the beach. Can imagine with this you'll probably head towards the bar. But it's still nice and warm out, still 26, so quite alright. There we go, there we got a Cool Box. New bar over here, and they have loads of slushies and everything inside. Probably with alcohol and everything. So, very nice. Opposite, Grill 64. Matches on. People having a drink, having a bite. Yeah, just a usual Sunday in Benidorm over here, having a drink, having a bite. That's what many people do. Love that as well. Some souvenir shops, sunglasses, well don't need them right now with the clouds, but further on for the rest of the week weather looks alright for next week. Tomorrow will be around 23 degrees and mainly sunshine. There's no rain or anything in the forecast, so that is nice, and that is for the upcoming 6 days what it will look like. I saw next week on Sunday temperature will rise a little bit again towards 25. So for November that is perfect weather, really perfect. Let's hope this will continue as well with the fiestas, then that will be excellent around 24 degrees like that, 23. That's alright, especially for November. Let's at least hope it stays dry. Can't imagine having a fancy dress in the pouring rain over here in Benidorm. On the opposite, the Saffron Lounge, one of those new Indian places over there. It isn't doing that well, I believe. Hasn't been filled up that many days, but as well, they just opened after summer and it has gotten a little bit quieter. Now let's head on towards the beach. Down there it looks very clear, the sky. So I'm curious about that to see. Let's go for a nice stroll along the shoreline over there. Over the promenade. Got the tartan bar first up. And yeah, as expected, everyone is watching the game still. Gabby's is coming up next. Not a popular bar over in the street always. Really busy at the bars. Well, this one not that much, but still plenty available and everything. Supermarkets on the other side, Veracruz one. If you're on the beach over here and you want a cool drink or anything and don't want to pay a lot because you have those 24/7 supermarkets, they're always very expensive. I would recommend heading on the opposite towards this one, the Veracruz one. It's almost open every single day, so you're right with that. There we go, the beach. Wow. Those skies do look amazing right now. Look at this. These clouds, the sun just hanging above it. And to be honest, there are more people than I did expect, I think. I think most of them left already. But if you look at over here, I'll zoom in a bit so that's more clear then. Still some people heading towards it, towards the beach. Some going back. But yeah, beautiful weather still. Not that many sun lounges rented out for today. That will get less during the week as well. Now, the real main season has finished for the beach, but still 26 degrees is still quite alright. Water temperature is probably still nice. Didn't check the temperature. Last time I checked it was around 26, I believe. 26 degrees, 25. So it goes down very slowly over here. So it would probably be around 24 right now, I think. Maybe 23. A little chilly, but it's alright. Let's have a walk down this side. On the opposite we've got the bar, Chiringuita. Lovely place always to sit at and have a drink. Some people are cycling over here. And it's not that busy, plenty of space to walk as well. Lovely temperature, 0 wind. Beautiful this. There we've got the Bulldog. Nice terrace, still jug of sangria, still priced at $12.50. Quite alright for the beach. These are actually the best times, I personally always think, to travel. At least when I was still living in the Netherlands, it was one of those better moments when it was November. Rain, storm, wind. It was cold. It was getting cold at least. You know how it is. And then you head towards Spain for a short holiday. Arrived, 26 degrees, sunshine, palm trees. You could get some drinks literally everywhere. Some food as well. Those are the trips that you really need when the weather is bad at home. So if you're planning on heading here, then definitely check out. I wouldn't advise to come here during fancy dress or the fiestas. Well, it is amazing, of course, that period to go to Benidorm. Then the prices are skyrocketing as well due to demand. So if you could get around that, and maybe you could get a really good offer for a short trip towards the sun. At least for upcoming week the weather looks perfect, so if you've got time, money and Jet2 Holidays or Ryanair has some availability for a short trip, I would definitely recommend them. Tiki Beach, Cayman of course, all nicely filled up to make for a great atmosphere, not completely packed or anything. That's what you need on holiday. Oh yeah, and by the way, they're still working over here on these new poles for the beach lighting and everything. I've removed the old ones, placed a new pole next to it, and then they'll probably this part will be done quite soon. So yeah, that has been a huge project. I started about it last year already. It took a while. Of course, it's quite a lot as well. You can't close the complete promenade, can't do everything at once. And of course the summer was in between it as well, so everyone is off then. But they're picking it up, and it will, yeah, hopefully be finished before December. It's a quite expensive project, 800,000 euros, almost $1 million. Got a sign of it a bit further down the road. And while I'm walking here slowly on my left, you can see the sun coming back from behind that cloud. And as soon as the sun is out, which is most of the days over here thankfully, as well as today, it was just this big cloud over here. A bit unfortunate for everyone on the beach, but it does give an amazing view and everything. But as soon as the sun is back, temperature does feel warmer already by 3 degrees or so. As well, something you're getting right now in the winter periods are those small daily menus they have, or they do. That means a small menu for like during the daytime to eat. Usually priced between 12 and 18. 3-course meal includes a drink. And almost every single place does it over here. So that's great as well. If you don't want to spend that much money, go and have your dinner during daytime, and then at night in the evenings have some bread or maybe a small snack or somewhere with your drink, a tapa you have as well. This is well very popular to do. So as well, many people who retire, they go on holiday towards Benidorm then during the winter, to stay here during the winter because of the lovely temperatures. They usually eat like that during daytime then somewhere. Or a nice offer they have, nice menu. And then at night they have a small snack or something, or some bread. And that is it, that's perfect as well. A beautiful weather today. And right now that the sun is back, it's immediately a lot brighter. Now I need my sunglasses again. But one thing we do see is behind that mountain, with the cross above, some dark clouds coming from behind it. Well, as long as they stay there, that's alright. Well, thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget, give that a like, do subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.